Hello, people of the internet. Welcome
Hello.
back to Geek and Seek. My name's Morgan.
I'm Steven.
Yeah, what he said. And just the other day, we did a opening of a set booster box of Commander Masters. And we're really having a lot of fun just opening this up and seeing a lot of cool stuff. We either just did or are about to have a video come out about the drafting and playing a gameplay for the Commander precons. So if those are out, go watch them. If they haven't come out, make sure to subscribe so you can check them out. But today, as far as today goes, what are we doing today, Steven?
We're gonna open this collector boosters.
Yeah, what he said. You want to go ahead and open the first one?
Dude, okay.
So this is actually going to hopefully be pretty cool for us because neither of us have ever opened a collector booster because money. But we're pretty excited. These videos are not technically sponsored by Wizards of the Coast because they're not paying us to do this. They don't know we're making this video, but they did give it to us, so we're going to enjoy it. Yeah, and hopefully this is a lot shorter than the set booster video because I think that video is going to be like half an hour long. So
Alrighty.
This only has, what, 4 packs in it, I think?
So it comes with
4 packs.
4 packs. You get 2, I get 2.
All right. So, Steven, use your magic fingers and tell me which one is the best one, and that's the one we'll save for last. All right. So we'll save that one for last. I'll go ahead and open the first one.
Okay.
And let's see what kind of juice we get. So, I don't remember how many cards are in these packs.
15 cards.
15 cards? Okay. And these just have more foils and more rares than the average booster. All right, so that's the back of the pack, but there's a spider token. That's pretty cool. All right, we have a foil Commander Sphere. It's pretty good. Foil Battle Screech, whatever. Foil Rapacious One. Makes Eldrazi spawn, so I'm sure it's sometimes good. Murmuring Mystic. This card was pretty expensive in foil. So it's nice to see it get reprinted again. Sandstone Oracle. That's actually kind of neat. Armorcraft Judge. I'm kind of bummed that there's so many foils and commons and uncommons in here. I do love these new lands though. These lands are gorgeous. And then we have a Soul Ring with a new art.
That is awesome.
That is pretty spicy.
There's that counter spell again.
That new,
I like that.
Pulled a couple of these in the set booster video. Check that out if you haven't. And then we have a foil new art Nadir's Nightblade.
Okay.
Like this one quite a bit. Gonna have to try to find a couple homes for this. Sour of Discord, 6-mana 6/6 flyer. Enters the battlefield. Choose 2 players. Whenever damage is dealt to one of the chosen players, the other one loses that much life.
Wow.
Pretty good if you're trying to end the game in a hurry. We got
a
etched foil Krenko Mob Boss. That's pretty spicy. Hatcher Sliver. Always happy to see some more slivers get out into the wild.
Oh no!
Full art, new art, Smothering Tithe. That is pretty sweet. I really like this new art where it's like kind of overlaps a little bit with the text. Very, very cool. Oh, foil, full art Spellseeker. That's nice because I was needing this for my CEDH deck. So nice to have one of those. And then we got that spider token is also a monarch token. That's very, very cool. Wow, okay, so there was actually quite a bit of gas in here.
Yeah,
these 2 cards specifically are very, very good. And a couple other good ones. I'm happy to always end up with more of these in my collection. So.
How much is Smothering Tithe?
A lot. hopefully less now.
My turn. We got here the ranged assistant. Spite below.
Hold it closer to
My
the
bad.
camera.
Okay.
Yeah. And what's that?
And that is Rise from the Tides. And that's a dragon. And that's a land. All that glitters. We got one of those earlier. Myriad Landscape.
I do love that new art from Myriad
Yes, it is
Landscape.
very
That's gorgeous.
Ooh,
Ooh, new Tatiova.
Ooh, you think is it
We should
Jason?
give that to Jason.
Yeah, we should give that to
Jason has a Tatiova.
That is beautiful.
Searcher Geralt. It's a fun card to build around. Oh! Also needed one of those for my CEDH deck.
That's broken.
Yeah, this is like a $60 card. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Undo Spirit Dancer. Yuriko.
That's cool.
One of the all-time most popular commanders. New
Aww.
art for Kaikar.
I like that. You should rebuild it. Was that the one that you had?
I did used to have a Kaikar deck.
You should rebuild it just because of that.
Just because the new art you
and
like.
it's a foil too, and it's like I like the bird.
Yeah.
And there's a
And
servo that is also a mod.
Nice. Yeah. So I mean, obviously the gas pull in this one was the Etched Foil.
Yeah,
First
that's
Guardianship.
really good.
My CDH deck is gonna get finished.
No, we're all gonna die.
Yes, good. All right, here we go. This is Drown in Sorrow. All creatures get -2/-2 till end of turn. Scry 1, and then it's okay. Sometimes it's kind of a board wipe. Oh, dog!
I like the dog.
And then we have dragons.
We like dragons.
And then we have Witch's Cauldron. This is really good in sacrifice decks, especially if you have a lot of tokens. Very good. Got a mediocre equipment. Hazmar. It's actually a pretty cool card, actually. I like that one. And then, again, I just really like these new ones. I think they're really nice. Well, I mean, we've seen these before, but I like that there's more than other. Dread Return. Very, very good if you're playing some kind of graveyard deck. Path to Exile,
again.
full art.
Cool.
Always nice to see new versions of it. Stormkill. Oh, this new art.
That's really cool.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
That is so cool.
All right, Dorial. Yeah, I actually really like this. If I ever build another mono green deck, I might build this just because it's pretty neat.
Ooh.
All right, we have a Etched Foil Stitcher Geralt this time. That's very cool. Ghoulish Impetus. Oh, yeah. This is one of those goad auras. Arachnogenesis in the extended new full art. Very, very pretty. Again, we pulled one of these in the last video, and we were saying that it was nice to get more of these out there because it was going to be quite an expensive card. Ooh!
Oh, there's that M there.
Omnath. Om nom nom nom. I think these.
Look,
these
it's like textured and everything.
Oh yeah, it's a textured foil. These are really rare. Yeah, that we might sell that one. And then we have a foil treasure, which is also a foil Phyrexian germ. All right, Steven, last pack.
This is the last one.
Did we save the best for last? Is the real question.
Yes, we did. Watch this.
All right, so the gas in that one was maybe the textured foil Omnath. I don't know how much that's going for. Arachnogenesis is very good. Pretty cool.
Okay, one of the Black Rose, Twisted Abomination, Thriving Blood, Gutter Snipe.
Do love me some Gutter Snipe.
Other cards. Got that Forest, Elvish Mystic. I do like that art. That's
I do
very
love the
cool
new
looking.
Elvish Mystic art.
Darksteel Mutation.
Yep, very, very good. Sanguinate foil. Very pretty.
Cool. There's a Gilded Lotus foil.
Very good. Yuriko. If anyone wants to build a ninja deck.
Yeah. Cool. Oh,
Regal Behemoth.
Yay.
Dinos. I do like the Monarch.
I do love that.
And Training Center.
All right. I gotta be honest, that was probably
that was probably the worst one. All right, but I think we did end up with some pretty good stuff in these packs. Let's just grab the best that we got. We got a Fierce Guardianship, Spellseeker, a Smothering Tithe. What else? We got quite a bit of good stuff, actually. The Omnath, the Arachnogenesis. We definitely got some decent cards. You have a favorite card that we pulled in this collector booster box?
Not really. I mean, I like the dinosaur.
I do like the dinosaur.
I think out of all the ones that we got, yeah, I do. I love the Omnath. I mean, just look, the art is really cool, and it's like that textured foil.
Yes,
it's so cool.
Yeah, it is very, very cool, very special. I'm happy to see Magic trying some different things with their different kinds of foiling, and then
it's working.
Yeah, and new art
and
treatments.
It's cool.
Yes, very, very cool. All right, this has been fun. Thanks, Wizards, for sending us all this fun, goofy stuff. If you haven't seen the set booster video, go check that out. It's a lot longer. You have it for some nice background noise. We also have an unboxing video for the Commander Precons. Oh, that's also a slight review. And if it hasn't come out yet, we are about to have come out a gameplay where we play all of them. If it's out, go watch it. If it's not out, Steven, what do the people need to do?
You need to hit like on the video, and you need to subscribe, and you need to share it with a friend, and leave a comment about what's your favorite card from the set. I don't know.
Yes, and what's your favorite color? All right.
Yeah, what's your favorite color?
All right, and we will see you guys later. Bye.